Welcome to Hokkaido, the enchanting northern island of Japan, where nature's beauty knows no bounds. Picture yourself surrounded by snow-capped mountains, soaking in rejuvenating hot springs, and exploring vast plains that seem to stretch into eternity. Hokkaido is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, offering thrilling activities like skiing, snowboarding, hiking, and relaxing hot spring baths. But that's not all. Prepare your taste buds for a culinary adventure like no other. Indulge in the freshest seafood, savor the iconic Sapporo ramen, grill up some mouth-watering Jingisukan barbecue, and experience the rich flavors of Hokkaido's dairy products. And let's not forget the world-famous Sapporo Snow Festival, where ice and snow sculptures transform the city into a winter wonderland. Hokkaido truly is a paradise for both nature lovers and foodies alike. Come, immerse yourself in the wonders of Hokkaido, where every moment is a feast for the senses.